Today I'm going to show you how to use reciprocity to increase your sales, and we're starting right now. Hey, how are you? Welcome back. My name is Paul, and if it's your first time here, this channel is all about entrepreneurship. So if you want to increase your sales and succeed in life and business, start now by subscribing down below. Don't forget to hit the bell notification button so you don't miss anything. So what is reciprocity, and perhaps more importantly, how can you use reciprocity to increase your sales? So the law of reciprocity says this: if you do something nice for somebody, they feel the need to do something nice back to you. They feel obligated to return the favor. Now I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking, Paul, in this world, in today's age, this doesn't really work. But on the contrary, you'll be surprised it does work. As a matter of fact, the law of reciprocity is used all the time by top sales professionals, marketeers, and even con artists. And in this video, I'm going to show you how reciprocity is used by a master closer. But real quick, think about the last time you went to lunch or dinner with somebody and they offered to pay the bill. Now comment down below if you said something along the lines of, okay, but I'm getting the next one, or okay, but dessert's on me, or something along those lines. Almost like you feel obligated to say that. Or even if you are in a bar and you're having drinks with your friends or a group of people, and then somebody buys a round of drinks and you say the next one's on me, or somebody else pays, and it goes in rounds. Have you ever noticed that? We do it all the time, but comment down below if you actually noticed this. So how can we use reciprocity to increase our sales? There is actually several ways, and we're going to talk about a couple of them right now, but make sure you stay till the end of the video because I'm going to show you a way to use reciprocity that's going to skyrocket your sales. It's going to be unbelievable. You don't want to miss that. So first of all, there is emotional reciprocity. This is when you make people feel good. This is when you are polite, you are courteous, and you have good manners. By the way, this also helps your likability factor go up as well. Now, this alone makes people want to return the favor psychologically. They also want to make you feel good. You can literally see this in action with women all the time, right? Think about it. Oh my God, you have great shoes. Oh my God, that dress is so nice. Oh my God, that bracelet is fantastic. No offense to women watching this, okay? Don't attack me. If you disagree, just say I disagree down below. No need for death threats. Then there is always material or financial reciprocity. This may be holding the door open for somebody, helping them move some boxes from their house, or even loan them some money, give them a small loan, if you will. Now, con artists use reciprocity all the time. So do online marketeers. Everyone is giving you free stuff to hook you and then put you in a funnel and sell you their crap later on. Even gypsies selling flowers do this, right? I mean, you're walking down the street with your girlfriend or your best friend or something, or your dog, and a gypsy will walk up to you and give you a flower and say, take it, it's yours for free. And you're like, no, I don't want it, but take it, it's a gift. And you take it, and then they try and pile a whole bunch of flowers, some paintings, and I don't know, whatever else they have onto you. And if you don't take the rest of the stuff, they get pissed off and take the flower back and walk away trying to shame you. The second part doesn't work that well, but the first part is reciprocity. They're doing it so they can hook you. The second part, they're making you feel bad just in case another gypsy stops you down the road, so this won't happen again and you actually buy their shit. Either way, if you take that flower, that first flower, you feel obligated to buy more or to give them some money. This is called an upsell. And this happens at traffic lights, right? You just washed your car and you stop at a traffic light, you have it all waxed and shiny, and some guy with a windshield wiper or whatever they're called, those sponges, comes and like, let me do your windows. You're like, no, it's okay. I do it for free. And like, no, I just clean my car. But they do it for free anyway. And most people feel obliged to give them some money. This is, again, reciprocity at work. Even though you feel like getting out the car and beating the shit out of them. Then there are free samples everywhere. Everywhere you go, there are free samples just given to you, especially in supermarkets. And you may think, yes, this is to advertise their product so you can taste it, so you can remember it. And you're right, in part. Even if you don't buy their product right there and then, subconsciously, you are more likely to buy their product next time you visit that supermarket. They've even studied reciprocity in restaurants. Why do you think they give you some free cake or free dessert or something free either before or after your dinner? That's right, it's reciprocity. It's a thank you, but it also makes you feel obliged to go there again and even tip more. There was actually a study where a waitress went with the bill to a table and left 2 small mints with a bill. Now, she got a tip, but when she tried again and left 4 mints with a bill, she got more of a tip. Now, if that same waitress went to a table, left 1 mint, and went to go away, but then turned around and smiled and left an extra one, then left, she got even more of a tip. And that again is reciprocity at work. So how can you use this in sales? Well, one way is to give free samples, free consulting, or even better, invite your clients to a party every year, an exclusive party hosted by you. Not only will they feel the need to buy from you again, but it also minimizes the chance of them going to your competition. And this is even if they don't show up to your party. Think about it for a minute. A massive party that you invite everybody to, but only a few show up. Can you imagine what you can do with this party? First of all, it won't be that expensive. Second of all, you can work the room, you can network, you can introduce people to people. They will feel even more obligated, and you can really build some honest and good relationships. By the way, did you know there are psychological triggers backed by science that you can use to increase your sales more effectively? Now, if you want to know more about these psychological triggers backed by science and how you can use them in sales, watch this video right here. Or if you've seen that video, then click this video that's recommended to you specifically by YouTube. I'm Paul Democritou, and until next time, keep succeeding.